Hi everyone, welcome back to Make It Yours with House of Devises, and today I'm making macrame feathers. So to get started, you'll need macrame cord, a tape measure and a pair of scissors. A pet wire brush or any brush with hard bristles is also useful. For the centre, cut a length of cord measuring 40 centimetres. Then cut lengths of 20 centimetres. You'll need about 20 of these, though that will depend on the thickness of your cord. Compulsory dancing session. Take your 40 centimetre length and fold it in half. Next, take one of your 20 centimetre lengths and also fold in half. Sit this underneath your centrepiece. Take another piece, fold in half again, but this needs to sit on top of the centrepiece in the opposite direction. Pop each set of ends inside its corresponding loop and pull tight. Now repeat, but notice that I've swapped the direction that each loop is facing. Continue to alternate until you only have a small loop left at the top of your centrepiece. So this doesn't look very feather-like at the moment, so the next stage is to unravel the twists of the macrame cord. Let's speed this up. Still not looking enough like a feather for my liking, so it's time to separate the threads in the cord. You might choose to do this at the same time as the previous step. This bit takes a bit of patience, a cup of tea and some good tunes should get you through. This is looking better, so it's time for the wire brush. Some people might skip the previous step and come straight to this. It's up to you. I find it's easy to get in a tangle that way. Brush all strands front and back. The final step is to trim. This is a bit of trial and error, and I actually decided to do a second trim for more of a point. This part is totally up to you. And there we have it. You can either use the loop to hang or use a small amount of thread to attach to a wall hanging. As usual, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time on Make It Yours.